Shenzhen Takdir Intelligent Electric Appliance Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise specializing in the manufacture of robot vacuum cleaners in Shenzhen, China. We produce smart robot vacuum cleaners, smart window cleaning robots, smart home intelligent service robots, and smart home appliances with over 5 years of OEM and ODM experience. With 4,000 square meters factory and intelligent production line built in Shenzhen, our company has 80 employees, which including 7 professional creative engineers. Our R&D department provides strong technical support and enables us. The robots are manufactured with advanced equipment, timely supply, credible quality, excellent after-sales service, and strict QC procedures in order to ensure high quality. All our products have passed CE, FCC, CCC, RoHS, and other relative authentications, and our factory has passed ISO 9001 certificates. These robots have short-circuit protection, overload protection, overvoltage protection, and 100% fully load burn-in testing to make sure of the quality. We have professional engineer support, a high-efficiency sales team, and competitive price superiority, and attract customers from all over the world. We export to over 30 countries including Russia, Hungary, France, Germany, the USA, Middle East, South America, and Southeast Asia. We can produce at least 30,000 units per month. We are looking forward to establishing long-term and win-win partnerships with clients worldwide. Welcome to cooperate.